Conda, everything you wanted to know about Samonas Therapy. Welcome to this comprehensive Conda session where we unravel everything you need to know about Samonas Therapy. Whether you're a therapist, parent, caregiver, or just someone curious about alternative auditory interventions, this video will guide you through the essentials of Samonas Therapy, answering your most pressing questions. Let's dive in. Samonas Therapy, short for Spectral Activated Music and Natural Sound Therapy, is an innovative auditory intervention that employs specially designed sound programs to stimulate the auditory system. It's based on the idea that carefully selected and processed sounds, like music and natural environmental sounds, can positively affect the brain and nervous system. Developed by Ingo Steinbach, an engineer, therapist, and musician, Samonas is rooted in neuroscience and acoustics. Unlike traditional auditory therapies, it focuses on the specific activation of auditory pathways using spectral enhancement, which fine-tunes sound frequencies to target particular areas of the brain. This makes it unique in its approach to improving auditory processing, learning, and even emotional regulation. The auditory system is a gateway to many crucial brain functions, including attention, memory, and motor coordination. Samonas Therapy harnesses this by using tailored sound programs to gently stimulate the auditory system, increasing neural connectivity and optimizing brain function. The therapy uses real-world sound recordings, such as birdsongs, instrumental music, and environmental ambiances. These recordings are modified using spectral activation to emphasize certain frequency ranges. Listening to these enriched sounds engages the brain to process sound in a more organized and efficient manner, helping it adapt and respond better to real-world auditory input. Samonas Therapy is a versatile approach used to address a range of conditions. It's particularly helpful for individuals with auditory processing disorders, sensory integration challenges, learning delays, autism spectrum disorders, and attention difficulties. Many children and adults with behavioral issues, speech delays, or even general stress and anxiety have benefited from this therapy. By enhancing brain functioning through sound, Samonas can also help individuals improve focus, emotional regulation, and communication skills. Its application isn't limited to one age group. It works for children, teenagers, adults, and even seniors. What sets Samonas apart is its unique use of natural sounds and specially designed music programs. Unlike other auditory therapies, such as tinnitus or auditory integration training, AIT, Samonas doesn't use electronically generated or artificial sound. Everything originates from real-world recordings. Furthermore, its spectral activation method stands out. This process enhances selected sound frequencies, not only providing auditory stimulation, but also targeting specific neural pathways for effective results. This combination of natural sound and technological precision creates a more holistic and impactful therapeutic approach. Creating Samonas sound programs involves a highly individualized process. Professionals use carefully curated music or soundscapes, such as classical compositions or natural environmental sounds. These recordings are then processed using specialized technology to amplify key audio frequencies, a method known as spectral activation. The result is a rich, multi-layered auditory experience. The programs are fine-tuned to align with the unique needs of each user, ensuring that the auditory system receives precisely the right kind of stimulation. A typical Samonas therapy session is simple yet effective. Users listen to the custom sound programs through high-quality headphones, ensuring that the auditory pathways are stimulated without any interference. Sessions usually last between 20 to 60 minutes, depending on individual needs and the specific objectives of the therapy. The sessions can be done in a quiet, focused setting, often at home or in a therapist's office. Because the programs are non-invasive and calming, they can be easily integrated into daily routines, making them accessible for people across different age groups. One of the most common questions about Samonas therapy is around results. What improvements can you expect, and how soon? While individual outcomes vary, many users experience enhanced focus, better auditory processing, improved emotional regulation, and clearer communication. Children with learning difficulties often exhibit greater classroom engagement, while individuals with sensory sensitivities report feeling less reactive to external stimuli. For some, the benefits are noticeable within the first few weeks, but others may require several months of regular sessions. Samonas. Therapy is most effective when used consistently over time, as the brain requires repeated exposure to reorganize and strengthen its auditory pathways. Because Samonas Therapy is non-invasive and relies on natural sounds, it is generally considered safe. Most users enjoy the sessions, as the sound programs are typically soothing and enjoyable. However, individual responses can differ. Certain individuals with heightened sensory sensitivities might initially find the experience overwhelming. Nevertheless, the therapy can often be adjusted in such cases, either by reducing session duration or modifying the sound programs. The most significant challenge lies in consistency. Like any therapeutic intervention, Samonas requires regular use to achieve lasting results. Users and families should be prepared to commit to the recommended schedules created by their therapist or provider. Samonas Therapy can be accessed in various ways, through clinics, certified therapists, or even at home via portable devices or apps. The costs depend on the delivery model. In-office therapy by a licensed provider is often the most thorough but may be more costly. On the other hand, at-home options tend to be more affordable and convenient for families. Some regional programs or insurance policies may help cover the costs, but it's essential to discuss options with providers to determine what works best for your situation. Samonas Therapy doesn't work in isolation. It's often paired with other interventions such as speech therapy, occupational therapy, or physical therapy to produce holistic improvements. For instance, children undergoing sensory integration therapy may find that Samonas enhances their progress by calming their nervous system and increasing focus. Furthermore, adult users have combined Samonas Therapy with mindfulness practices or stress reduction techniques to boost emotional well-being. Real-life testimonials underscore the remarkable effects of Samonas Therapy. For instance, a 9-year-old boy with an auditory processing disorder not only improved his ability to follow multi-step instructions, but also became more confident in social interactions. Similarly, an adult recovering from a stroke reported enhanced concentration and reduced mental fatigue after several months of therapy. These stories highlight Samonas Therapy's potential to make a profound difference to individuals of varying challenges and life stages. To achieve optimal results, consistency is key. Stick to the recommended schedule and ensure sessions take place in a calm, distraction-free environment. Over time, keeping a progress journal can help track changes and inform adjustments to your therapy plan. It's also crucial to engage your provider in open communication. Regular evaluations can reveal whether the program needs modifications or whether additional tools can enhance the experience. Parents and caregivers play a vital role in the success of Samonas Therapy for children. Encouragement and active participation in the process can create a positive association with the sessions, helping kids become more engaged and focused. For younger children, you might incorporate sessions into daily routines, like after meals or during quiet play. For older kids or teenagers, creating an appealing and comfortable listening environment can help maintain motivation. As research into neuroplasticity and auditory interventions continues to evolve, Samonas Therapy remains a promising area of growth. New advancements in technology are allowing for more tailored interventions, while ongoing studies are helping clarify the therapy's mechanisms and expand its applications. Practitioners and researchers anticipate that Samonas Therapy will become even more accessible in the future, benefiting a broader population and enhancing its integration with other therapeutic disciplines. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into Samonas Therapy. We've explored what it is, how it works, who it's for, and its potential benefits, all in a simple and accessible format designed to answer your key questions. If you're ready to explore the possibilities of Samonas Therapy for yourself or a loved one, consider consulting with a licensed provider or researching at-home options suited to your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more resources, expert insights, and Canda sessions about innovative therapies. We hope this video has inspired and empowered you to consider Samonas Therapy as a step toward unlocking greater potential in auditory health and overall well-being. See you in the next video.